Some dates quietly pass by. But the 3rd of January isn't one of them. This day is packed with trials, revolutions, dictatorships, new states, economic shocks, and drone strikes that changed global politics. Welcome to History 365. Let's travel through the centuries and explore what happened on the 3rd of January. Let's start with 1431, where a teenage girl who led armies and changed wars is suddenly sitting in a courtroom. Yes, Joan of Arc's trial begins. She had led France to stunning victories, claiming divine guidance. But politics is messy. So England captured her and handed her over for a trial that was less about justice, more about "we don't like how successful you are." Her courage terrified her enemies. Her faith inspired her followers. And her trial? It became one of the most famous miscarriages of justice in history. We jump ahead to 1815, the year Europe was trying to recover from Napoleon's chaos. On the 3rd of January, Austria, Britain, and France quietly signed a secret defensive alliance. This pact became part of the delicate balance of power that shaped Europe for decades. Now to 1925, where Benito Mussolini decided democracy was too much work. He dissolved institutions, silenced opposition, and officially turned Italy into a dictatorship. This shift didn't just change Italy, it inspired authoritarian movements across Europe and helped set the stage for World War II. January 3, 1959, welcome Alaska, the 49th state of the United States. A land of mountains, ice, wildlife, and oil. Suddenly became part of the American family. Its strategic location would later play a major role in Cold War defense and Arctic geopolitics. In 1961, Washington and Havana officially said, "Yeah, we're done." The United States cut diplomatic relations with Cuba, marking the beginning of decades of tension, embargoes, and Cold War drama just 90 miles from Florida. In 2009, something revolutionary happened, quietly, on a small computer. The Bitcoin Genesis block was mined. This wasn't just the start of a cryptocurrency, it was the beginning of a financial movement, a new kind of digital asset, and eventually, a global debate about the future of money. And finally, 2020, a moment that sent shockwaves across the Middle East. A US drone strike in Baghdad killed Iranian General Qasem Soleimani, one of the most influential military figures in the region. The attack dramatically escalated tensions, triggered worldwide concern, and forced governments to prepare for possible retaliation. And that's everything that happened on the 3rd of January, from rebellious heroes to dictators, and ancient trials to the birth of Bitcoin. If you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget, History 365 brings you a new date, a new story, and a new perspective every single day. Subscribe, stay curious, and I'll see you tomorrow for another trip through history.